Princess always gets their coffee first.
Thank you. Good morning.
Morning.
What time is it?
It is 3 a.m.
Today is our first day of racing. It is our 5K day, so it'll be a short day, an easy one, but looking forward to it. We got our Dr. Facilier gear on. We're ready to run. The first day of the 3 races. We are on our way to the bus to go to the 5K start line, and that's where we'll be held for a couple hours until the race begins. But we will show you guys what it's like in the area because there's like a DJ and some characters. It's really fun. So it's early, but I'm ready to party.
Trying to keep her hair from getting wet.
From my hair. It's my whole body.
Oh wait, it's raining. Okay.
It's raining. But hopefully it just stays like a light drizzle.
That's what the news, or not news, what my phone news said.
So when you get your race pack, they give you this clear bag, and you'll use this to put all of your belongings in, and then there's an area where you can check your bag, and then after the race you can pick it up. So it's really nice. So we have some food in here, we have some Mylar blankets just in case it was cold, but it's not cold. So yeah, we're gonna go check our bag.
Take your stuff. If you got your stuff, throw it in the back of these trucks.
Yeah, just throw it in.
Like this.
Chuck it in. Lots of porta potties.
Ah, yes.
And the hand sanitizer is not drying because my hands are wet. So it's like a whole nasty. So a cool thing about the races is that they always have fun photo spots while you're waiting. So this is awesome.
Hey, that's us.
Right? All right, we're heading to our corral. It is 4:18 and the race starts at 5 o'clock. So we'll be in there about 40 minutes or so. But yeah, S1 means start one. We found that out. So we're in the first corral, which is awesome.
So we are in Corral 1. This is the holding area. You can see 2 right there. And then 3 and 4. Wait, there is no 4. Just 3.
Wickedly delicious as well. All right, how many of you are doing the 2-course challenge? Outstanding. Any perfect wine and diners? What's wrong with you?
Three, 2, 1. Your fireworks, and they are all kicking on the wine and dine 5K. We gotta get through.
5K. Let's go. 5K. 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 5K
Came up to our first photo spot. Queen.
So awesome. All right, we're going in by Touch Track. Good morning. There's Touch Track.
You guys are, oh yes, ladies, energy. Look at the energy. I love them. They're my favorite now. See you later. Enjoy it, everybody.
Mile 1. Coming in behind Mexico. Going into Mexico. They're going into Mexico.
Time for a margarita?
Everything.
Running around the showcase.
Huh?
Showcase your running skills.
My walking skills right now. All right, you ready to hit it?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. So beautiful in here. I love that the torches are lit.
Awesome job, athletes. Enjoy your run.
Hello, Remy. Oh, look, it's Schmeed.
Mile 2. Mile 2, baby. Let's go.
Do a little window shopping. Hop on the Skyliner. Heading to the boardwalk. Thought we were heading to the boardwalk, but we're not.
Nope, we're going behind.
One more mile left. How you feeling?
I feel great.
Feeling great.
The rain feels kind of nice.
It does.
Although I got splashed really hard by someone stomping a puddle. So, my shoes got a little wet, but that's okay.
My shoes are soaked. I was trying to get a water shot.
Yeah.
Sacrifice.
But so far, so good. Go back into World Showcase.
Oh, hello, Rosencrown. Could use a Joffrey's coffee right about now. Oh, I need coffee. Give me coffee. Let's get a Starbucks. Let's break off the group.
I might barf if I drink coffee while running. Just saying.
I'm pretty angry at Disney for not lighting up the ball.
Yeah, what the heck?
Spaceship Earth should be on.
Shit. There she is. So beautiful.
Should be lit up.
Yeah.
Turn your lights on, pretty one.
Yes.
Oh yes, the evil queen.
Put it on. Then it's official.
I officially am official.
She's officially done. And in case you went too hard, get some icy hot. They could give you.
I want to put your bottle on. Show it. All right, you ready?
Feels good. 2 more races to go. This was the easy one. This hat will not be on again.
Raise your hand. How many do you guys
But it did keep me warm.
run into help?
Dasani. Oh yeah. I would much rather take that.
There's food boxes here. Let's see what's inside.
Banana and a box. Thank you. What's in the box?
I don't know. Say shut.
There's nothing in the box.
Tortilla chips. Healthy breakfast. Oh wait, there's cheese in here.
Cheese
Can't have
and
that.
goldfish
Let's pass that off.
and
Cheese off
sunflower
somewhere.
seeds.
Giant
What's the last
grams. Hold on. I think these are vegan unless they have.
It says contains wheat, that's it.
I'm just looking for
What's the
honey.
last thing?
Oh, sunflower seeds and a wet nut.
Alright,
Sweet.
sweet.
Well, this had to happen. This is so nice. You got some chips in your teeth?
Yeah, I do.
I'm ready for a hot coffee.
That's a wrap, no cap.
Well, it looks like this weather is not going to allow us to do anything today but relax in the room. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early at 3 a.m. for the 10K. Bye.